Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Paul with Livlfe Van. Well, here it is coming together. Our black anodized 80/20 with reclaimed wood out of Montana. It is a reclaimed oak. We've spoken about this. We filled in the voids with epoxy and a black graphite. Obviously, graphite could only be black. And that is our finished product for this beautiful reclaimed wood. We're gonna see it on the drawers underneath the bed as well. Of course, that's the light that's making that shadow. Of course, we match the grain. And here, if you look closely, you'll see that that grain is perfect as well. So that's what we're focusing on here. Now, a couple things we want to showboat on are, check out these latches, lefty loosey, righty tighty. And there it is, all right? Oops, lefty loosey. And there it is. So we went with the European hinges here. All right, bam, soft close, no big deal, right? But take away that, look at the way these things lock. Bam, they really, really get tight. We turn it and bam, it is super tight. I don't like the other ones. Sometimes you forget to close them, stuff falls out. So these are super duper tight. Something else we're really proud of is, take a look at these hinges. Oh boy, hopefully I'm going to be able to get this thing open for the demonstration of our video. Excuse me. There we are. So there is our hinge. There's no strut in there. All right. Why would you put a strut? Why would you have a connection point? That's 4 connection points for each door. No matter where we put this door, it stays in that position, either all the way up or all the way closed. All right, so that is a really, really cool feature. I think people don't want to see the hinges on the outside. To us, no, that's meaningless. And here's we only made one of these. There's our cool, you could buy them on Amazon, of course you can. I don't want to do that. We made our own because we put that black stitching in. So that's the pull we're gonna go with, is black with these, they're called thumb screws. We only made one, like I said, so far. So there it is. There's our 80/20, our cabinetry, our partial knobs that we talked about. The ones underneath the bed are going to be really cool as well. And of course, the lighting that you saw in the other videos. So really starting to come together at Livlfe Van. Thank you so much.